It's literally been so long since I filmed that I don't even know how. What am I doing? What was that? Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long since I filmed a video or did a tutorial or anything. I am 100% aware that I'm the most inconsistent YouTuber ever, and I need to change that if I'm gonna do anything with this whole thing. So yeah, let's go. I'm just going to kind of just chit chat and do my makeup. And I have my hair like pulled back and pinned up because I'm going to put on a wig at the end of this video and kind of do a little review on this new wig that I got. So yeah, my hair looks kind of bad right now, but I'm just trying to get it out of my face so I can do my makeup. I already applied my Bare Minerals face serum. I always do this before I do any makeup on my skin. For foundation, I'm going to use my Kat Von D Lock-It foundation, but I always have to mix it with a shade of foundation that's darker because it is too light and too pink for my skin, so I'm going to mix it with the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless foundation. I'm just going to dot this all over my face and then blend it out with my Real Techniques sponge. Just found myself getting caught up in real life and kind of just put YouTube on the back burner sometimes, which I don't want to do anymore. I'm tired of being inconsistent. Like, that's not going to get me anywhere or anything, so I'm going to change, and I know you guys enjoy watching my videos because, what was that? I always get comments and people telling me they miss my videos and asking me when I'm going to do more, and I don't want to let you down. And now before I set all of that, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild Halo Liquid Highlighter. This is in the shade Holographic. It's not holographic, it's just like, it's duochrome, like pinkish purple. I've been totally obsessed with this highlight. Not so much like the color. I want one that's not like pink. But the formula on these are amazing. I've never liked a liquid highlighter, but this is amazing. And I just need to get all of them. Now going in with my airspun loose powder, and I'm just going to lightly set under my eyes. Now I'm going to quickly contour my face using my Anastasia Gradient Blush Kit, the shade Dusk right here. Sorry about my dog barking in the background. I tried to wait for him to stop barking, but doesn't like he's going to stop barking, so. Now moving on to my eyes, the fun part, and for that I'm going to be using my Anastasia Subculture palette. And first I'm going to go into shade Axis on a clean fluffy brush, making sure to be very gentle because we all know that this palette has the most kickback. And I'm going into the crease with a very, very light wash of this color. There's hardly any product on my brush, And I'm just making sure that I'm blending. I'm going back in with the same shade, and I'm just going to slowly intensify the outer corner and crease. And I'm just going to keep building until it's as intense as I want it. Blending is the main key to any eyeshadow look. If you think your eyeshadow looks bad, just keep blending it, and more than likely, in the end, it will look good. And I'm just going to go ahead and run this shade along my lower lash line while I'm at it. I never do blue eye looks. It's just been a color that I just don't really like for eyeshadow, but so many people can pull blue off, and I just wanted to try. And I got a request to do like an icy darkness kind of look, so kind of what I'm going for here. Now I'm going to go ahead and go into my Anastasia Prism palette, and using Obsidian, I'm going to darken everything up. Very, very lightly applying this into my outer corner and crease, just like the blue shade, and I'm just using this to darken it up a little bit. And I'm using a different blending brush to apply it, and then going back in with the one I used for the blue to blend it. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Throne. I'm just packing this on the inner third of my lid. More like half. Then back in with the blending brush I used for the blue, and I'm kind of just softening the edges and blending it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyelashes. And for that, I'm going to use Dodo lashes in the style D115. You can use code wiitchbiitch, 2 eyes in witch and 2 eyes in bitch, for money off any lashes from Dodo Lashes. I will also leave that information in the description box. I want to share with you guys a little tip that I've been doing to keep my eyelashes on, like make them extra secure. If I have the brush on adhesive, like with a little brush, I will take the tiniest bit and run it as close to my lash line as possible, so there's a thin strip of glue. And I also put the glue on the eyelash as well, so it just adheres to the glue and just like sticks and it stays. And I've been doing this for a really long time. I've probably mentioned it before. Only do that if you feel safe, like putting the glue like near your eye, like closely. While I'm waiting on my other eyelash to get tacky enough to stick it on, I'm going to highlight my inner corners. I should have done this before the lashes, but oh well. And for that, I'm going to take this L'Oreal True Match Lumi Illuminator. This one is in the shade Ice. And I'm just going to be taking the blue now. I'm just highlighting my face with that same highlight that I used for my inner corner. So last but not least is my lips, and I'm going to use Limecrime's Black Velvetine. I just have to do something with my hair, and I have a new wig to review for you guys. This wig is from Shelovewig Hair. It comes in a little bag like this, and the wig is inside. The wig inside was in another bag, like a little plastic bag, but I've already taken it out because I was excited and I wanted to look at it. Let's pull that out. And this is the wig. It is whitish silver. On the website, I have to say it looked more white than like silver, like actual white. But it's totally fine with me. It is beautiful. It's super long and curly at the bottom. The hairline is like this. It's not really got a part. It's just one of those where you can part anyway. And I have not cut the lace off yet, so you guys could see the lace. This is a lace front wig, obviously. This is what the inside looks like. It has just 3 little clippies and little straps for you to adjust the tightness if you have a small or big head. Some wigs come with a clip at the nape of the neck, and this one doesn't. I wish all wigs had that clip. Kind of don't understand why they don't, and they put one here but not here, but it's not that big of a deal. But let me go put on this wig cap, and I'll be right back, and then you'll see me looking all crazy in a wig cap, but then I will continue to put it on and all that. So now I'm looking crazy in my wig cap. All I do is put on the cap and kind of just shove all my hair around in there. I don't put it on like no fancy way or anything. I do find it is hard to find wigs that fit my head after I put all my hair inside, unless I have it like braided, because I have a super thick and curly hair. But I tried this wig on before, and it seemed a little big on my head, so I think it might fit well. I'm gonna slide it on without cutting the lace right now, just so we can get an idea of what it's gonna be. The first thing I'm observing about this wig, fold up this list, is that it kind of looks like the hairline is receding. Like you can see my cap. Okay. As you guys seen, I cut the lace off. See how this is not like fitting to my head like other wigs do? It's like, I don't think it's the wig necessarily, it's my hairline more so. I have a naturally small forehead, and I also have a widow's peak, which really fucks me up wearing wigs because you can usually see it. When I used to wear wigs a lot, like all the time, I kept it shaved. The hairline on this wig just kind of sucks for me, but like if you don't have like a wonky widow's peak hairline, this probably would work fine. Or if your forehead was just bigger than my tiny ass forehead, like you can see my hair through this because it's blonde. The quality of this wig isn't bad though. Like, it's not the softest wig I've ever felt, but it's not bad for a synthetic wig. I just do not like the hairline, how it sits on me personally. It does not fit me as well as my wigs from like Donna Love Hair, or what is another one, Eva Hair. Those are like my main sources of where I get wigs. I typically don't wear my wigs out. I usually wear them just for looks, like makeup looks and videos and all of that. So for that purpose, this wig is perfectly fine. We all know how to face tune out a fucked up wig line. if I glued it down, the hairline would fit a lot better as well, so I have to keep that in mind. But yeah, it's definitely not bad, and I think it suits this look really well, and I'm really excited to do other looks wearing it. The more I'm wearing it, the more it's looking fine. Oh, and the shipping on this wig, it came super fast. I have to say that. And they do have a lot of different styles of wigs on their site. I will have the link to Shelovewig Instagram and website down below in the description box. I think this wig would be good for like looks, or if you are a wig wearing professional and you know how to make them look really natural and really good and unclockable. I feel like this wig on me is really clockable. If I went out in public with this, like, someone would be like, that bitch is definitely wearing a wig. So this is one of those wigs that just look best personally in photos, which is what I'm going to use it for. That's my little review on this wig, and I would say it's approved by me. Not my favorite, but it's not bad at all. It's a good synthetic wig. Good for the price. But yeah, I think that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as well as this little review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy me and my content, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.